Hello everyone. Today I will be analyzing the cultural impact of Gangnam Style, released in 2012 by Psy. While many people might remember this video as a viral meme or just a funny dance trend, I argue that Gangnam Style was actually a major turning point in the globalization of K-pop and a sharp satire of South Korea's class culture. First, we're going to begin with a simple artist overview of Psy. He was born as Park Jae-sang December 31, 1977 in Seoul, South Korea, which is the capital of the nation. As a profession, he's a singer and rapper and had his debut in 2001 and became known for his controversial humor and satirical performance style. Unlike typical K-pop idols, he did not fit the polished, conventionally attractive image often associated with the industry. Instead, his exaggerated expressions and comedic persona became the central to his appeal. As a result, in 2012, he released Gangnam Style, which became the first video in YouTube history to surpass 1 billion views. And as of February 2026, the video has reached over 5.8 billion views. To understand the song's deeper meaning, we must first understand what Gangnam represents. While Gangnam is a wealthy district in Seoul associated with luxury, elite education, expensive real estate, and even high social status, it symbolizes success and upward mobility in modern South Korea. However, it also represents hyper-consumerism and the pressure to display this wealth publicly. The song does not celebrate this culture, it satirizes it. The true globalization of the K-pop industry was kickstarted by this true masterpiece, since it was able to break the standard mold for how Korean music usually reached and was interpreted by Western societies and cultures, such as the United States. The song was extremely popular, as it reached second place on the Billboard Hot 100 and remained there for 7 weeks, while staying on the chart itself for over 30 weeks, signifying its cultural significance. Also, major news outlets such as CNN, BBC, and the New York Times cover this song to a great extent. Next, throughout the music video, Psy places himself in settings that mimic luxury but are clearly exaggerated or absurd. Gangnam Style did not simply stand out of the mainstream by one single medium. Instead, it was able to combine a plethora of subtle and direct messages, appealing visual spectacles, as well as taking advantage of catchy beats and the YouTube era. These exaggerated performances of the creator highlight the performative nature of wealth and status. Moreover, phrases in English such as "Hey sexy lady" further bridge the language barrier, signaling that this song aimed at appeasing to more than just the Korean consumer. Some of the song's greatest aspects included satirical and simple yet funny choreographic expressions and styling choices. Iconic horse dance that was easy to copy was an instant hit with the public. The amplification done by mainstream media platforms further helped the song perform well. And lastly, riding the train when it came to YouTube's great expansion only boosted the song worldwide. Furthermore, and most importantly, Gangnam Style changed how K-pop was perceived on the international stage. It also served as a clear and direct turning point in how K-pop music was generally consumed, which opened the stage for future artists to capitalize on this path. Those artists were BTS and Blackpink, who followed in the footsteps of Psy through creations of their very own. Gangnam Style demonstrated that songs not recorded mainly in English have a major chance at dominating the industry on the global stage. As a result, Western media began to pay close and careful attention to K-pop, sparking an increase in the level of curiosity and outright interest of consumers. while also actively shifting the perception around the country of South Korea and what it has to offer in terms of entertainment. In conclusion, Gangnam Style was far more than a viral dance trend. It functioned as a satire of performative wealth in South Korea while simultaneously becoming a milestone in digital globalization. By combining factors such as humor, spectacle, and perfect digital timing, Psy transformed a local social critique into a global cultural moment. And therefore, I invite you to watch the video for yourself on YouTube. Final remark: here are the references that have been used to present this analysis. I want to thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I really hope you have learned something new about Psy and the great masterpiece Gangnam Style. Thank you very much.